Ever wondered why some websites dominate search results while others fade into obscurity? The secret lies in flow metrics. Majestic's flow metrics, Citation Flow and Trust Flow, paint a vivid picture of your site's backlink profile. Citation Flow measures the sheer number of links pointing to your site, but quantity isn't everything. Trust Flow dives deeper, assessing the quality and trustworthiness of those links. Imagine a scientist cited by many, but if those citing aren't credible, the recognition means little. Similarly, a high citation flow with low trust flow indicates links from low-quality sources like spammers or bots. Conversely, a high trust flow means your site is endorsed by reputable sources like Forbes or Reuters. Together, these metrics reveal the true influence and authority of your site in the digital landscape. While not direct ranking factors, flow metrics are crucial for understanding and improving your SEO strategy. Unlock the power of flow metrics and watch your site rise to new heights of credibility and influence.